Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I will like to show you the tips and tricks to manage your time playing Instagram. So I would like to show you the way how to activate the reminder or break time for your Instagram account. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and whenever you open it, now you just need to visit your profile and go take a look on this top right corner. There will be like 3 straight lines there, so you just need to go click it. Now you need to visit the settings and privacy. In the setting and privacy, you need to see how you use Instagram, and after that you just need to go click this time spent. And this time span, you can manage your time and play Instagram. So you just need to activate the break reminder right here. So this feature will help you to remind you to take a break when you spend this amount of time once on Instagram. So you can get like say every 10 minutes. So whenever you already scrolling your Instagram for 10 minutes, you will get a reminder from the Instagram to take a break for a while. So you just need to go click the turn on, and now it's already activated. So after 10 minutes play Instagram, you will get a break reminder to like stop playing the Instagram. So that's the way, guys, how you manage your time on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and I hope you can see me again on the next tutorial.